we're introducing two new foldables that you will love, starting with Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Z Fold 3 is stylish and sleek and weighs less than your morning cup of coffee. When closed, Z Fold 3 looks and works like a standard smartphone. You can glide across your screen as you scroll through with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, you'll be able to see clearly, even when you're outside on a sunny day. These high-quality visuals continue on the main screen, which has the same refresh rate and dynamic display. At 7.6 inches, Z Fold 3's main display delivers a tablet-like experience. Thanks to our latest innovation in display technology, Eco Square, the visuals are brighter with power efficiency. So, for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, we've changed the pixel array using the minimum amount to increase the viewable area. Introducing the world's very first foldable with an under-display camera. When you're using the camera, like when you're unlocking your phone and taking a photo, or video calling, the punch hole is visible and the camera can see out. When you're not using it, you can game and watch videos on a truly immersive display. Galaxy Z Fold 3's stereo speakers deliver multi-dimensional sound with incredible spatial effects. Before, you had to close one chat to open another. Now, it's optimized for the large screen, like a tablet. See how the chat list pops up on the left and your messages appear on the right. You're seeing everything at the same time. With the Z Fold 3, multitasking is effortless, thanks to the taskbar. You can even use it to open multiple apps without returning to the home screen. And with your recently used apps right there, with Z Fold 3, you can unfold a better shopping experience right on the main display. Pull up the brand site and shop easily while still watching YouTube. You can open up the file you received directly from the Teams chat, and then just drag and drop the Microsoft Office app from your taskbar to open the other file you need. This multi-instant capability makes it effortless to work off two documents. It's easy to copy and paste between your files, move your data, and finish up all your work. So we're teaming up with third-party app services to make your favorite apps easier to use on your foldable. And that includes some of your favorite apps, Spotify, YouTube, and TikTok, which now provide more diverse and optimized experiences.
Both the Fold 3 and Flip 3 have an IPX8 water resistance rating. That means they are protected from everyday water damage.
An S Pen
that will let them take full advantage of the Fold's spacious screen. But bringing the S Pen to the Z Fold 3 required some serious innovation. Instead of looking for a way to increase the flexibility of the folding area of the digitizer, our developers decided to use separate digitizers on each side of the folding area. We developed a way to connect two separate digitizers so that they operate as a single panel. To support this new form, a new algorithm was created to calculate signals from both digitizers, so they could recognize coordinates in the folding area while minimizing errors. The S Pen Fold Edition is designed with a new rubber nib that's rounded and soft to the touch. We also added an internal spring to act as a shock absorber, automatically reacting to pen pressure. So it smooths and softens any excessive pressure on the tip of the pen. We also increased the display's responsiveness to the S Pen by 40% to give consumers a smooth and steady handwriting experience.
By redesigning the layer structure and using a new protective film made out of PET, a sturdy yet flexible material, we are able to increase durability of our flexible displays by about 80%. When closed, the outer body is protected from everyday scratches with a Gorilla Glass Victus.
Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 will be available from August 27th for $1,799 and $999 respectively. You can pre-order both starting today.